Understand it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I'm going to just quickly tell you something. So 3/4 equals what? Let me ask sorry, just ask Athene. Athene, can you tell me? 3/4 equals what?
75% or
Very
0.75.
Very good. 0.75 and 75%. It also equals what?
3 divided by 4.
Very good. 3 divided by 4. Okay, so Lilac, your turn. Okay, so if I give you 2/5 equals what? Lilac?
0.4.
Very good. 0.4 and
40%.
very good. And last but not the least equals to
2 divided by 5.
very good, Lilac. Good job. Okay. So next one, I'm going to do a little bit harder. Okay, Potato King, 3/8. Can you tell me 3/8 equals what?
Bruh.
Mm. 加油. You can do it.
Just gonna calculate.
Yeah, 有谁知道的? Who knows? I want you to memorize these, okay? So penguin fish, do you know that?
Just a random guess. Is it 0.625?
It's 0.375.
Okay.
0.375, okay? So equals what? 37.5%, and also equals 3 divided by 8, okay? So everybody, I want you to memorize those things. It's going to be because everything is going to be easier if you remember these things, okay? So today we're going to learn how to do the percentage word problems. I know how much you hate about it, but let's just do this part first, okay? So who can read the question for me? Blair, can you read the question for me?
Jenny and Sylvia have 320 stamps in all. The number of Jenny's stamps is equal to 60% of Sylvia's stamps. How many stamps does Sylvia have?
Okay, very good. So everybody, we have two ways of doing that, okay? So this is a demo question, so we just to show you how to do it. So Sylvia is having how many stamps? We don't know, right? But we know that Jenny's stamps is 60% of Sylvia's stamps. So everybody, if you're not very comfortable seeing the percentage, we can always change it to what? Fraction. It is equals to 6/10, correct, Enzo? Okay, so that means if Sylvia has 10 blocks, I just to put this one, and Jenny will exactly have 6 blocks. So we don't know each of the blocks represent how many stamps, but we know Sylvia's and Jenny's blocks together is altogether 10 plus 6 equals 16 blocks, right? So I know altogether they have 320, so 320 divided by 16 equals 20. So that means each blocks represent 20 stamps. So the question is ask you, how many stamps does Sylvia have? So we can also doing 20 times 10 equals 200 stamps. Correct? Athene, 你的头到哪去了？那你把你的摄像头往下压一点，好吗？ Can you lower it? No? 为什么？ Why? Can you tell me why? If you tell me the reason, I let you not showing your face. You have to give me a reason.
Because this is the lowest the laptop can go, or else it'll like break the charger part.
Okay. 哦，你不是在用你自己的电脑是吧？ Okay, 好吧。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at method 2, okay? So everybody, when you see this one, I don't know if you still remember, okay? So Lilac, you should remember. Potato King, you should remember. Okay, and I think Enzo, you should remember. We have learned this off. Everybody, when you see this off, that means what? 有没有人记得?
Times.
Very good. Thank you, Enzo. Good job. So 60%. So Jenny's stamp equals to 60% of Sylvia's stamp. So 60% times Sylvia's. Correct, everybody? So that means AKA 6/10 times Celsius, and also equals to 3/5 times Celsius. Correct? Okay, so Jenny's stamps exactly equals 3/5 of Sylvia's stamps. So Sylvia's is of course having 1, right? So 1 plus 3 over, so Jenny is 3/5 times Sylvia's. And Sylvia's self, we just plus them together, so equals 320. Correct? So we just calculated it's equals to 8/5 times Sylvia's equals 320. So Sylvia's equals what? This part I want to ask you, how do you do 8/5 times Sylvia's equals 320? All we need to do is just to times 5/8 and times 5/8, both left side and right side. So Sylvia equals what? Equals 200. Potato King, do you understand? Okay, how about you, Penguin Fish? Okay, it doesn't matter which way you want to use. Okay, both of them are fine to me. Okay, so now let's take a look at number 2. I want to call Enzo. Can you read the question for me?
Pearland has 10% more stickers than David. If Pearland gives 24 stickers to David, David will have 10% more stickers than Pearland. How many stickers do Pearland and David have in?
So let's take a look at this one. So everybody, the Pearlands have 10% more stickers. Okay, so we can just do something like that. So before is like that, right? If Pearland gave 24 stickers to David, David will have 10% more sticker than Pearland. So that means if he gave 24 to David, now instead of Pearland has 10% more than David, now it's David more than 10% to Pearland. Correct? So that means if you drew the drawing exactly, this 24 equals the 10%, correct? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 1 unit is 24, and they are all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're all together 20 and 1. So there's all together 21 times 24, because they ask you how much stickers does Pearland and David have in all, right? So basically this Pearland have 24 times 11 at the very beginning, and David has 24 times 10 at the very beginning, but add them together is 24 times 21 together. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's just take a look at the next one. Okay, if you have any questions, you can stop me and I'm going to explain right now. Okay, so because this 24 stickers is based on 10%, right? Everybody, I just said, because you before gave 24 stamps to David, and David became 10% more than Pearland. So that means this 24 is represent 10%, right? And we're going to think about it. What is 100% represent? It's 240, which is David's. And what is Pearland's at the very beginning is 240 plus 24 equals 264. That is the originally, but how many stickers they have together? So 264 plus 240 equals 504 stickers. Okay, everybody, I hope you understand these two questions pretty well. So we're going to do number 1 and number 2 yourself. A total of 48 students sat for maths exam. Only 75% of them passed. How many students passed the exam? Okay, when you see of, that means what? I don't want to read, like I think everybody understand this one, okay? During an election, Albert received 60% of the 30 votes cast. Anthony received the remaining votes. How many more votes did Albert receive? Read the question carefully. Okay, the question is asking you what? Okay, 有些小朋友题目不看清楚就直接做不行。Okay, so everybody 1 and 2. Hello.
Hi.
Where are you?
I was at the prospect camp for the tryout thingy.
Okay. Okay. How's everything?
Pardon?
How's everything? Good?
Good.
Yeah, last week you forgot to tell your mom, right? I told you like there's no class for today. Like,
Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. Your mom was like, "Oh, is there any classes?" I was like midnight in England, so I cannot reply to your mom at all. Okay, so when you finished, please send the answer to me by chat. Okay, I'm gonna take a look which one is the quickest. I'm falling right now. You're failing. You're failing? Why? 1 second, I just asked my daughter. Please get rid of the water.
Where?
What do you mean a water inside? There is no water inside.
There's a little bit water inside. Please get rid of the water, please.
Brody, drink the water.
Yeah. Oh, you can put the water into my plant.
Why don't you do it
The
yourself?
plant.
Bro, you could
I
have done it
forgot.
yourself.
I forgot. I'm
Wow,
sorry.
You're so smart.
I'm so smart. Yeah.
What happened to your nails?
I know nose.
Your nails.
My nails. I just take it off.
The
Okay.
Rio died. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Don't take it away from me. Okay. Bye bye. Bye.
It smells like seafood.
Okay, everybody. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. Can I do the second question? Of course. So 1, 2 together. So you send a question to me together. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. So penguin fish. There are altogether 48 students in the math exam. Okay. 75% of them, everybody, when you see of, that means 75% need to time something. Remember potato king, right? And them, what is them? Is altogether 48 students. So it's 3/4 times 48. So the answer is 36. So 36 students has passed the exam. So if you don't know how I'm doing this, here is I'm doing this one. So the basically 3 times 48 over 4 times 1. So 12 and times 3 equals 36. Thank you. 你还
You're
不懂
going to
吗？
be a French baguette. I can't put this on.
你还不懂吗？
Yeah. 爸爸说15分钟。
那你可以做点别的事情。Okay. Okay, so everybody, do you understand? Penguin and Enzo and Lilac? Okay, so let me see. Athene, good job. Blair, good job. Okay, so only Athene and Blair send it to me and you're good. So let's take a look at the next one. During an election, or you want some time? Do you want some time for to do the numbers here? I'll give you some time, okay? Everybody, do the numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so boys and girls, I have received all the different kind of. 哎呀，我女儿为什么把那个帽子放在？Okay, so we have. How many more votes did Albert receive? Potato King, let me ask you a very simple question. We're asking about the number or the percentage for this question.
Number.
Number, okay? So that means if you're giving me the percentage, you're doing wrong. So let's take a look at the question first. The question is, how many more votes did Albert receive? That means we need to find out Albert's received how many votes and Anthony has how many votes and minus them, right? Okay, so first of all, we know Albert received 60% of the 30 votes. And Anthony received the remaining votes. So I want to ask Lilac, if Albert received 60%, so what is the percentage does Anthony receive? 60%, and very good. I heard Avocado said, though I didn't heard that, but Avocado told me with the lip language. It's 40%, of course. So there are two ways of doing that. Is 60% times 30 equals 18, and 40% times 30 equals 12. So 18 minus 12 equals 6. But it is actually more work. If I were you, if Albert received 60%, Anthony received 40%, I can just easily use 60% minus 40% equals 20%. That means Albert received 20% more votes than Anthony. So I need to do is 20% times 30 equals 6. I only do one big calculation, which can save you a lot of time. Understand, Potato? Understand, Penguin? Okay, so I'm not going to explain. So if you don't know how to do 60% times 30, you don't want to use a fraction, you can also use it as a decimal. So 0.6 times 30 equals 18 as well. Okay, so that's the same thing. So everybody, we're gonna move forward to the number 3, okay? A shop owner sold 10 cell phones and made a total profit of 20%. What is his percentage profit for each phone? Okay, before we do that, we're gonna go back to the demo. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So there are 60 members in a music club. 25% of them like jazz music, 50% of them like pop music, 20% of them like rock music, and 50% of the rest like classical music. How many members enjoy classical music? Everybody, if you do this question, there is a part very easy to make mistakes is 50% of the rest, okay? I'm going to block the answer because I believe all of you can do yourself. So let's do this question yourself. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at how to do it, okay? So I have received 4 answers. Let me check how many of you get it right. Okay. Penguin fish. Send me a lot of penguin and fish. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So there are altogether 60 people in the music club. 25% of them like jazz music. So how many of them like jazz music? 25% times 6 equals 1/4 times 60 equals 60 divided by 4 equals 15. So 15 of them like jazz music. 15% of them like pop music. So pop music equals 15% times 60 equals 9. 20% of them like rock music. So 20% times 60 equals 12. So 50% of the rest. What does the rest mean? That means 剩下. Okay, so we first need to using 60 minus 15. They are the one who likes jazz music. And minus 9, these are the people like pop music. And 12, these are the people like rock music. And you just minus them all together equals 60 minus 36. So equals 24. So that means 24 of the people, we don't know what kind of music they like right now. But 50% of the rest like classical music. So it's 24 times 50%. So the answer is 12. So Enzo, congratulations, you get it right. Very good. Okay, so let me see. Avocado. 有一点点. Penguin, I think you do. Yeah, so the rest. Understand avocado? Understand the rest means whatever is being not determined means that. But good job. Okay, 3 of you, at least you send me the answer. It's good. So let's talk about number 3. A shop owner sold 10 cell phones and made a total profit of 20%. What was his percentage of the profit for each phone? Very easy. So 20% is what? Made a total profit of 20%. So you can just divide it by 10. Okay, everybody? So pretty easy. So let's just take a look at this one. Samuel bought a watch at a discount of 30%. If he had paid $119, what was the original price of the watch? Okay, so everybody, before we start this one, I'm going to tell you how to do those questions, okay? So, Lilac, do you like to go shopping with your mom?
Yeah.
Of course. Avocado, do you like shopping with your mom? No, you don't like? Oh, do you like to shopping with me?
No.
Yes? No, you don't know? Okay. How about Blair? Do you like shopping with your mom? Yeah, of course. Okay. So for instance, if you go to a shop, you see a $100 cost of a dress. Okay. And they said 30% discount. So does anybody here know like how much you're going to pay for after discount, how much it is? Nobody knows?
$60.
70. So 100 is the original price, okay? So 30 discount is 100 times 30% equals $30, okay? And the real price being sold is 100 minus 30 equals $70. And also, you can get it like 100 times 1 minus 30%. Because whatever you think before is 1 and minus 30%, so equals 100 times 0.7 equals $70. Okay, so everybody, you know this is original price, this is discount, and this is the selling price. Okay, so now everybody, if I don't want to tell you what is the original price. I only tell you the discounted price is 70. how do we get the original price? Okay, so this is something we need to talk about the percentage. So 100 represent 100%, and 30% equals 30%, and 70 represent 70% of the total. But if you have this thing is called $50 and you do 30%, then who can tell me how much money you're going to sell after 30% discount? Everybody, please do it. Okay. Okay, I have received 8 messages. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Avocado, congratulations, you get it right. Very good. Okay, so Enzo, you need to think about it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so if the original price, I'm going to create a chart for all of you. Okay, so it's going to be helpful for you. So this one will be the original price. And this one will be the discount. And this one will be the selling price. Okay, everybody? So like that. So like I said, original is $50 and discount percentage 30%. And everybody, so I don't care how much is the original price, okay? It is always represent 100% because it doesn't have to be anything decreased or not. Potato, okay? Understand? Okay, so if original is 100% and you discounted 30%, what is the thing being left? What is the percentage has been left?
70%.
Very good. Avocado, good job. Potato, can you understand? Penguin, fish, Athene, Enzo, lilac, okay? So now that's the same thing, okay? So every single percentage is going to go with a number as well. So if 100% represent 50, so 30% equals what? Equals 30% times 50, which is 0.3 times 50 equals $15. That means you take away $15. Understand? So Potato King, how much is the selling price? There are actually 2 ways of doing that. You can either doing 50 minus 15 equals 35, or you can do 50 times 70% equals 35 as well. Everybody understand? I think with this chart, it's very helpful. Everybody should understand how to do it. Correct? Avocado? Right, with this card. Okay, so I want everybody, when you do those questions, let's do a chart. Okay, so now I'm going to change the question. Okay, so I'm going to change the question. So the percentage is the hardest part in the primary school. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if I said I'm going to do the 40% discount. And the original price is $60. And who can tell me how much being discounted or how much is selling price? Okay, everybody, your turn. OK，每个小朋友看好刚才老师的那张表。If you can had copied it on, then you won't make you think it's good. It's easy. Thank you, Penguin Fish. You think it's helpful, right? It's technically helpful. Very good. So everybody, when you're learning with the teacher, I don't think you should do unlimited questions, right? Okay. So when I was at your age, when I was in China, people think there is a thing called a questioning C. Question C. Question C. Okay. You have seen different C's, right? Blue C and black C and red C, but have you ever seen the question C? That means you're going to do unlimited questions. It sounds like a C, but I don't believe so. Okay. I think every single question should have a technology. And if you understand, your teacher is going to supposed to tell you the technology, Potato King, right? Give you the strategy and you learn it, and every question should be quicker and easier. So let's take a look at this one with the chart. I'm going to do 100%, and because the total is 100% and the discount is 40%, and the selling price will be 60%. Correct, avocado? Correct? Okay, so because this is 60, so 60 to 100, so 40 is what? Is 60 times 40%, which is $24. Okay, so the selling price, 60 minus 24 equals 36, or 60 times 60% also equals 36. So you can do it yourself. Okay, so everybody, now let's take a look at the fourth question. Okay, I'm still using the chart because you know what? The chart is our best friend. Okay, is our best friend. So let's take a look at this one. So if I said the selling price for this one is 30% of the original price. Okay, and the discount is $14. Could you please tell me how much is the selling price and how much is the original price? It's getting harder. Okay, I'm going to help you, of course, but I want you to yourself try to do it. 加油！avocado，你有没有在用 chat 做啊？你这个叔叔在这里，这个叔叔在吃东西，肯定还要用脚，看来你在用脚在做题。等一下，我们让 avocado 给我们表演一下怎么用脚写字啊。Avocado, I would like to see. Please show me. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if we have $14, okay, so 30%. So we don't know how much is a discount, or do we know the discount? 100%, and there are 70%. Correct, everybody? So 100%, 70%, and 30%. So very easy. So that means $14 is going to be represent 70%. How do we get the 14? Is the original price times 70% equals 14. So that's why the original price equals 14 divided by 70, which is $20. Because the original price is 20, the discounted price is 14, so the selling price is 20 minus 14 equals 6, or you can do 20 times 30% equals 6. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now if you understand this one, we're going to go forward to the number 4, okay? So the number 4, Samuel bought a watch at discounted 30%. If he had paid $119, what was the original price of the watch? So let's take a look at this one. The discounted percentage is 30%, okay? And the selling price is 119. Okay, it looks like we don't have anything, right? But the thing is, everybody, we know this is 100%, this is 30%, this is 70%. So in order to get the original price, we only just need to using this number divided by this number. So 119 divided by 70% equals 119 divided by 0.7. So which is 119 divided by 7. Okay, so we just do that. So it's 1,749 and 7, so 49. So the answer is 107. That is our. Get it, everybody? So a avocado and Athene and penguin, everybody, if you know the discounted is what? You're just using this number divided by discounted rate, then you get the original one. Understood, everybody? Okay, 这个表很重要，这个表很好, okay? So let's take a look at number 5, okay? So number 5, everybody, you do yourself. Number 5. There are some mint chocolate and dark chocolate in a box. The number of mint chocolate is 25% of the number of the dark chocolate. What percentage of the chocolates is mint? So this question is exactly like this first question we did, okay? So draw the diagrams, okay? 把那个小方块画出来也可以，或者你喜欢用 decimal 也可以, okay? OK，有人做完了吗？没有。Avocado，你今天怎么了呀？Potato King，你怎么了呀？哎呀，今天想到 percentage，大家都有点害怕，对不对？So some there are together mint chocolate and dark chocolate all
不是
together.
害怕，我没学好。
哦，percentage，你上节课没来是不是？
什么上节课？What's last？
上节课讲的 percentage，你上节课不在吗？
我是问 England last class。
No, no, no. Like last class, nobody having class. So last week, no class. But the before the long weekend, we have a
Yeah,
class.
we didn't.
We do the
about-
percentage.
I don't think so.
没有吗？我们没讲过吗？So percentage is like, for instance, avocado. We said, okay, I am like half. Your age is 1/4 of my age. So I am I'm 4 times older than you. For instance, okay, I'm 4 times.
25%.
No, it's like, so I am, so how about like that? So for instance, I have one person is 50 kilograms, okay? And there's another one is 100 kilograms, okay? So this is Carrie, and this is the 2 Carries. We just say David, okay? David sounds like a person with 100 kilograms weight. Okay, so Carrie said, I am 50% of your weight. Understand, avocado? So it's the same way of talking about half. So if somebody said half, you understand. So 50% is the same thing as half. Understand? Penguin fish, you know that, right? And so you understand? Okay, so Blair, do you understand? Hello, Blair? Okay. So there are some mint chocolate and dark chocolate in a box, okay? So the number of mint chocolate is 25% of the number of the dark chocolate. So if I said the dark chocolate, this is dark chocolate, and this is mint chocolate. So everybody, can you do this thing? So this is 25%, and this is the whole thing. So 1, 2, 3. Do you get me, avocado? So 20%, 25% is exactly like 1/4 with it. 对不对？那这个是 25，那这个是一份，这个是一份。So that means the dark chocolate has 4 units, and the mint chocolate only have 1 unit. So what percentage of the chocolate is mint? So this question is like what? You need to think about it. All together, they represent 100. They're in a box. They're the whole. So the mint chocolate is 1/.
20%?
Very good, avocado. Very good. You're right. It's 20%. Good job. Very good. Understand, everybody? So you need to think about the whole thing is 100%. And this 25%, 那有个小朋友说，老师，那为什么 sometimes it's 25%, why it is 20%? Because this 25% is mint chocolate to dark chocolate. But this 20% is mint chocolate to the whole entire box. Understand? So this 1/4 is because 1 is mint chocolate and 4 is dark chocolate. So that's why it's 25% is mint chocolate to dark chocolate is 25%. But this one is that what percentage of the chocolate mint is for the total entire box? That's 1/1 plus 4. This is mint chocolate. This is box of chocolate, including mint chocolate and dark chocolate together. So it's 1/5 equals 20%. Understand, everybody? I hope I explained it very well, clear enough. Okay, so let's take a look at number 6, everybody. What is the percentage of the number of whole number from 4 to 23, which are multiple of 5? Okay, I'm going to answer this question, okay? So first of all, you need to find out how many numbers are multiple of 5 between 4 to 23. And you need to count how many numbers are from 4 to 23. And using the number of multiple of 5 divided by the total number, that means the percentage of the number of whole number from 4 to 23, which are the multiple of 5. Okay? Okay, so from 4 to 23, how many numbers are there, first of all? Let me ask all of you. Potato King, you should know this question because I have told you for a long time. 4 to 20, how
19.
many numbers are there?
19.
No, Potato King, you're not even trying, okay? So from 4 to 23, how many numbers are there? You can just erase up your 4 fingers. Sorry, 10 fingers. You count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So are you trying, Potato King? Are you trying, Enzo? Okay, so you tell me how many numbers between 4 to 23?数一下嘛，每个小朋友手指头数一下嘛。而且 Potato King 我很清楚的
16.
No, 23到4到23 Okay, so everybody 23 minus 4 plus 1, that is how many numbers are there? Altogether, there are 20 numbers, okay? 如果你不会这个方法，用手数都数出来了。所以我不知道，我等了你们3分钟，没有一个人 even count. I told you the bottom number is how many numbers from 4 to 23. So Blair, can you tell me? Did you try it? Did you even try it?
Yeah, it's the multiple of which from numbers 4 to 23, which are multiples of 5 or 25%.
Very good, because they are 5, 10, and 15 and 20, correct? Okay, so there are altogether 4 numbers there. Get it, everybody? Penguin? So 4 divided by 20. So the answer is 1 over 5. Blair, the answer is 20%. Yes, it's 20%. Okay, I think you know something, but every time you get the answer, if the answer is not right, it's not that equivalent that you understand how to do it. I understand you do, you know most of them. The earlier question, you get it, you know, you think you know how to do it, but there's always a gap between you and the right answer. So you need to push yourself a little bit, maybe concentrate a little bit more, okay? So I think 4 over 20 divided by 4 equals 1, divided by 4 equals 5. So 1 over 5 equals 20%. So that is a percentage of number of whole numbers from 4 to 23, which are multiple of 5. Understand, Ansel? So they're all together 4 numbers from 4 to 23 are multiples of 5. It's 5, 10, 15, and 20. And altogether, how many whole numbers are there for 4 to 23? Okay, so Potato King, you have to write it down. So let me ask you, from 1 to 30, how many numbers are there? 30 minus 1
30.
plus equals 30. Yes.
30.
So if I give you from 5 to 199, how many numbers are there? 199 minus 5 plus 1 equals 195. Get it, everybody? Okay, so but if you don't know this one, you don't know, you have to plus 1. See, this question have a hint. The number of whole numbers from 4 to 23 is not this one, but what it is. Because you're using 23 minus 4, you're missing the first number of 23. That's why you need to plus 1, so the total number is 20. Okay, understood? So if we're clear, so let's take a look at number 7, okay? A total of 50 boys and 30 girls participated in the contest. 20% of the boys and 30% of the girls receive a prizes. What percentage of the constants receive prizes? Okay, so you need to, for this question, you need to find out the total number of students who won and divided by the total number of the numbers. So how many numbers of kids are going to go to the contest? 50 plus 30, right? So that's the bottom. So everybody please count it. How many of them are winning? How many of them are winning?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, of course.
Carrie,
Yeah,
I have to go to another table because my battery's running low.
okay, no problem.
Sorry, I have to leave.
Yeah, I know your mom told. Okay, see you
Okay.
later.
Bye.
Okay, so did you find out? So let's take a look at this one, okay? So 20% of the boys are winning. So there are altogether 50 boys. And 20% of them are winning. So how many people are winning? It's okay.
10.
Very good. So 10 boys win the game. And how many of the girls is winning? 30%, right? So 30% times 30 of the girls. So how many girls win?
9.
Very good. So basically, we're just using 9 plus 10 divided by 80. So equals 19 over 80. What is the percentage? 19 divided by 80. 0.2, 160, 30, 3, 240, 60. So it's like that. So 24%. So it's equivalent to 0.24. So it's 24%. Okay, so I hope you understand. It's not just copying whatever I did. Okay, Potato King, do you understand? Are you clear? 什么地方不懂可以问老师。
No.
Potato King, is there anything like you don't understand? You need to tell me.
No.
Okay, so now everybody, last questions. Okay, so let's do the last questions. Sorry, last two. Tim wanted to sell his watch at a discount of 10%. However, he then decided to increase the discounted price by 5%. What was the new percentage of discount? this question, without the chart, it's going to be super hard, but with the chart, maybe it's easy, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So do we know the original price? We don't know that, right? But if we don't know the original price, everybody, I'm going to strongly suggest you think if the original price is $100. Can we do that? Because we don't know how much it is, right? If we don't know how much it is, we just assume it's just $100. So wanted to sell his watch discounted for 10%. So how much is going to be discounted?
$10.
$10. Very good. So now what is the price right now?
$90.
$90. Very good. So now he wants to increase the price by 5%.
95%, $95.
No. So that's the thing, okay? So that's the part very easy to make mistakes. So now this dollar, this one is decreased from 100%, right? But yeah, I'm going to ask you to make a new chart, everybody. So new chart is the new price right now is $90, and this one is 100%. And with increase to 5% is it's like that. And altogether is 105%. So 5% of 90 equals what? It's 90 times 5% equals $4.50. Okay, so plus together is $94.05. Okay? Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at the last one. Okay, Serene and Derek have 270 stickers in all. Serene has 25% more stickers than Derek. How many stickers does Derek have? Okay, everybody, this one should be easy. Okay?那我们来看一下，他说他一共有270个 stickers, right? So Serene has 25% more stickers than Derek. 那我如果把它改成 1/4 more， 也就是说这边有2个人都是有4份。Right? And Serene has one more. So it's 1/4. So it's 4. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So Serene has 5 parts and Derek has 4 parts. So altogether, how many parts they have? 5 plus 4 equals 9.
9.
Yes. So, and we all know altogether that's 270 stickers are there together. 270 divided by 9 equals 30 stickers. So that means each of the blocks represent 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. So how many stickers does Derek have? How many?
120.
Very good, 100. Good job, everybody. Okay, so if you think number 7 and number 8 is too hard, I think everybody think number 8 is a little bit hard, right? The rest of them should be no problem at all, right? Yeah, number 8有点难，其他应该都会吧？对 ，number 7都会的，对不对？Number 7都会。Okay, so now how about like that? Our homework just do from 1 to 9, but I want you to do it without looking at my notes or anything. Or how about like you watch the notes, watch the screenshot, and watch the video before you do the homework. But we don't have to do number 8. And Ryan, I'm going to send your homework directly to your mom because you always said you cannot find where's the homework. 好不好？ So because you have to do it, I can see. 真的 Ryan， 你以前是我这边就是反应最快的小朋友，慢慢就掉下来了，不能这样子，老师不让你掉下去，听到没有 ？Okay, you have to pick up. Okay, everybody. So from 1 to 9, everybody watch the video first, then you do the homework. 好不好？但第8题我们不用做。Number 8 is a little bit hard to understand. I understand. So Athene and Enzo, can you promise me? So we're gonna do from 1 to 9 without the 8, but promise me you're gonna watch the video before you do the homework. 那做 homework 的时候就不要再去看这个 video. 好不好？ And I trust all of you can do it. Okay, remember we have a chart, right? Penguin, you said with the chart, everything is much quicker. 对不对？想一想，总的开始的价钱就是100%，减掉30%就只有70%了。Because everything plus together, it could only equals 100%. 我们把这个部分学会了，等到你们到9年级的时候一点都不。如果这个地方卡住了，我们可以一遍遍学，不要害怕。Avocado 说：“老师，我有点不会。”没关系的 ，because everything we're gonna repeating learn it. Okay, so when we learn something, 我们像什么盘山公路一点一点上去。So that means this part we're going to come back and learn it again. Understand, Avocado, and put it okay? So this is how I teach the math. Is we're not just to learn this one and we never touch it again. It's not supposed to be like that. OK， 有很多小朋友说，老师，我这个学过了，我下次就不用再学了。不是的 ，math is connected with everything. Okay, but this part, if you're not very 100% clear, it's fine because next week or next month we're going to come back and touch this part again. But right now, I want you to try your best to understand every single thing, especially this chart I made for all of you. That is a really good way of understanding. So, Penguin, 如果你要求这个 discounted price, you can use the original times the percentage, you get the discounted. And also, if you know the discounted, you can using the discounted price, divided the percentage and get the original price. Understand everything? So everything is connected. You can go back and you can go forward. 好不好 everybody? 这个 chapter 非常难 I understand. 但是我们每个小朋友 most of you understand. I think 80%. That is already very good. 我要跟你们说，老师上的这个数学跟学校里面的数学不一样，你学会80%就已经非常厉害，对不对 ？Okay, so but you have to go homework. Okay, have to do homework. Homework 还是一样的。Avocado 和这个 Penguin 一直在发给 Victoria， 对不对？你每个星期都会拿到他的那个的。别的小朋友如果没有发给 Victoria， 记得发给 Victoria. Okay, she is my teacher assistant and she's taking care of the homework. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class, and we're gonna see each other next week. Okay, potato can 我会马上发给你妈妈啊，你要做的啊，不做怎么样？那这个就是你屁股，看到吗？看到没有 ？Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.